It's 2022, guys. That's crazy. Happy New Year to all of you that are watching. I don't know about you guys, but new year, new me. I'm definitely focused on making progress this year. That is the biggest word, the biggest thing that I have for this year is results, right? I want to see progress, me in my life and in the life of my viewers and the life of the people that are in my community. This is a year of progress, movement. You want to see results this year, okay? You want to take actionable steps, have a plan, and have a good outlook for this year. There's a lot of people that are feeling really good about 2022. They kind of felt like 2020, 2021 was kind of like a little downslope, and now we're gonna ramp up, like take things really to the next level. That's the energy that I'm feeling, and I want you guys to feel that same vibe, that same energy for this year. Guys, things are going to be very, very good, right? So crypto right now is looking a little, iffy, right? We've been going down for quite some time. We're looking for an overall change of the trend, right? Macro level, we've just been going down and down and down. We're looking for things to really flip around and start to curve to the upside. Now, there's a lot of people that are, in their head with it, right? They're worried about the short term ups and downs. Try and look at the crypto world and your investing portfolio and your investing plan kind of like the stock market, okay? So for those that never understood how to invest, right, their first steps in investing is obviously to put some money into an S&P or an index fund. Just get into the stock market, right? Make investments in the stock market. And what are the general recommendations that are around for, like, accessible to everyone? It's just build yourself a portfolio and continue to add to a dollar cost average in over years and years to come, okay? Now, we're applying that same strategy to the crypto world, right? To crypto investments, that same exact strategy. Thing is that the crypto side of things are going to be there's a lot more money to be made. There's a lot more gains because of the fact that it's such a new market, such a young market, and has a lot more room for growth, right? So that's where we can see much better returns investing in the crypto market as opposed to investing in the stock market, okay? But the approach, the plan, the investment strategy is pretty much the same, okay? Sure, there are movements that we make here and there based off of different events, different things that are coming out, right? Different opportunities to make money here and there. But the overall idea of your investment plan and your investment portfolio in crypto is basically the same as those that have been investing for years, right? You want to build your portfolio, and a lot of you guys are already in that position, which is fantastic. Awesome. Now, don't let the short-term ups and downs get in the way of you and your plan and your vision with your portfolio, okay? Just know that it's years. It's building the portfolio and consistently building up your investments, right? Continuing to invest into them. Whether that be 6 months from now, 8 months from now, a year from now, whenever the time comes to sell, there will be a time to sell and then reinvest, right? That's a move that can be made. Perfect example is those that invest into real estate, right? There are people that live off of that stuff, okay? They just, that's all they do, right? But there comes a time every so often, every so many years, where it's the time to sell all of your real estate. Obviously not all of it, right? But, the majority of your real estate portfolio, because you are aware of the fact that the real estate market is going to have a turn to the downside, right? Which is a lot of people that have done that in recent years. They've sold a lot of their real estate waiting to see what comes with the following years of the real estate market, okay? We're applying that same idea, that same concept with crypto, right? So those that are in real estate, they buy properties, they buy apartment buildings, they buy commercial real estate, right? They're buying properties, throughout 5, 10, 20 years, whatever it may be, right? And then those that were aware of what was coming back in 2008, right, 2006, 2007, they were selling their real estate, right? When everything was really booming, everything was going crazy, they were selling off, getting ready for this market crash that were about to happen. They were sitting on a lot of cash. They utilized that cash to buy up a lot more real estate in the 2008 crash, right, when everything fell off a cliff, right? So we're kind of doing the same thing with crypto. You're building your portfolio, you're having everything ready, you're waiting for everything to just be crazy, right? Awesome. When everything is crazy and everything's booming, everybody's talking about crypto and everything's really hype, that's when you start taking your profits. You start selling off some of your coins. Awesome. You start locking in gains, knowing that we'll have a nice little crash afterwards. And in that crash is when you buy back in and you up on all your bags and you have a lot more of your crypto than you did back in the original run, right? That's how we play the crypto market in a nutshell, okay? So don't get caught with the ups and downs. Don't get stressed out. Have your plan, stick to your plan, continue to add to your bags, right? And then as time goes on, when there's different opportunities, like right now I'm talking about NFTs, right? Passive income with NFTs, there are going to be opportunities that pop up. So now you can start to venture out into other things, get your feet wet with other things within the same cryptocurrency ecosystem, with the same decentralized, finance world that we're creating, that you have been a part of for quite some time now. My point is, you get to the point where you're emotionless with your investments, especially in crypto, because it's such a volatile market that you shouldn't feel bad when we go down or crazy excited when we go up. It's just a plan. You've invested your time. If you've been watching my videos for over a year, you know that there's the information. You already done your research. You know where you're at. You should be really, really chill, like really relaxed. Like you should not be stressing out at all. Just know that you've put up the work per se, right? You dug deep. You did the research. There's so many people that know what crypto are, but maybe they've got some Bitcoin, some Ethereum, but they're not in as deep as you are, having Theta, T-Fuel, Zilliqa, Polkadot, etc. Like all the better coins to have instead of just the top ones, right? You guys are in a godsend of a position, okay? Like very, very few people are in the position that you are right now. Be grateful for that. Just know that you are in a position that is setting you up for financial prosperity, financial abundance, okay? All you gotta do is stick with it. It's not gonna happen in a year or two. Sure, we were really sure about December being like the peak of the market. Didn't work out that way. So you're gonna sit there and, be sad about it? No. If anything, look at the opportunity that's presented to you, because now you're able to add even more to your portfolio. You're able to buy more. You have more time to buy coins at the prices that they're at now. See what I mean? These are exciting times. These are very, very great times where you need to be buying up as much as you can and really reap those benefits of the patience when the time comes. Last week was the first week I didn't upload since I started YouTube. It was I was just busy, and it was crazy because the day that I needed to film, I was like rushing and I was like really stressed out about the fact that I needed to upload. And I started thinking to myself, I'm like, man, why have I created my life this way, right? Like, this is the life that I was avoiding. Why have I put myself into the position where I'm like attached to the fact that I need to upload every single week? Like, yes, it's my responsibility and it's the best for my business per se, right? My YouTube page, but I put my life, my mental health before all of that, right? So if I'm busy one day and I got things I need to do with family, with all the stuff that's going on, New Year's and Christmas, I couldn't upload, right? So it felt really good that I was able to take that pressure off of my back, right? That I missed the upload, missed a week, all right, whatever. It's not the end of the world. But this year is going to be amazing, guys. This is going to be a great year. A lot of great things to come, and I'm focused on providing the best value to you guys. Okay, the best value where I can give you guys information that's going to be able to make the biggest impact in your life possible. Okay. That's my main goal. All right, so thank you guys so much for watching. Please drop a like on the video, comment down below, subscribe with your post notifications turned on, and I'll see you guys next time.